to give you a detailed view about the ASTPP 4.0, I would like to call Mr. Devang Nathwani on the stage. He is the support lead and has 4 years of experience in this industry. Please welcome Mr. Devang Nathwani.
Hello everyone, good evening, and thanks Ekta for the detailed introductory speech. So how are you all? Are you enjoying? Yeah. This is definitely the switch you want to have on your. If you are a web service provider who are having a multiple millions of calls on the system, then this will be the switch you are going to deploy on your server. Don't you think it? Yes. Sure. So yeah, we have, as you all know, that this is the community-based open source system. So as well-known activist and lecturer Helen Keller once said that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. So we are also believing in the same philosophy, and we also do so much. But how to do so much? So we have found one and only one way to do this much is through community only. Community, by what I mean by community is a group of people who are having a like-minded. In this ASTPP 4.0 manner, if you want to say, that the like-minded people who are into the VoIP platform, who are using a VoIP-based telephony services. So those kind of like-minded people we are working with, and we have got tremendous love and support continuously from this kind of like-minded people, which we call it ASTPP 4.0, ASTPP community. And we have got this continuous flow of love from the people around the world by sharing their code, sharing their time, sharing their resources, by sharing a notification, by sharing their comments about do something, about asking some PBX features, asking some routing strategies. So we, and some of them are keep asking us, when is the next launch date, sir? Yes, this whole thing always pushing us up, pushing to motivate us to do more and more for you, and more by you, because this is a community-based solutions. So we want you to keep sharing your love and sharing your code, sharing your money, however you want to help us. This is the way you can as a community member help us grow. So, and we also try to reach you. We also try to reach these kind of people, and we are here in many places around the internet. One of which is a Google group where you can share your concerns, like this kind of issues you are facing, and like-minded people who are using this web switch ASTPP from maybe many years. They can also give you the solutions, and even you can get the solutions from core team as well about the concerns you are having. Other than that, we are available on GitHub, where you can share. If you have any requirement, then you can share over here. As well as if you have, if you find any bug, then you can raise over here, and you can directly get the solutions or suggestions from our core team. This is where you can do from GitHub. Other than that, yes, this is more important. This will show you that how we are involved. We want to involve in the web business. Is through we are always trying to communicate and get the data and get the intel out of the real life use case scenario, out of real world world. So we are available. Our core team is available to communicate with you every week, Friday 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. IST over the Twitter lobby. You can reach there and directly communicate with core team of ASTPP. This is how you can from this effort you can see that how much involved we are into the whole world. Other than that, if you want to reach us through any social media platform like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you will get the links from our astppbuilding.org, and even there is a link of latest news which are going on over ASTPP. You can get that from astppbuilding.org. But how we can do so much, and what will be the least requirement, minimum requirement to do this, all this so much. So that will lead us to a new point. What will be the minimum requirement of ASTPP? So that will lead us to, it will just require 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU core and 1 GB of HDD. But that will only to say either your boyfriend or girlfriend that maybe we have our own telephony network. That is just for that. But no, it's not just for that. Is it? No, because here this is the configuration where you can just deploy ASTPP on any credit card size computer as well. So from there you can habituate with the configuration of ASTPP and habituate with all the routing strategies and everything from only that credit card size computer. So you won't have any costing about it. So you will get habituated, and once you are comfortable with the word billing switch ASTPP, then only you will deploy it on production. So this is how it will helpful. By this is the minimum system requirement. Apart from that, PHP version, the minimum PHP version is required for ASTPP 4.0 is PHP 7.3 and MySQL 8.0 and FreeSwitch version, minimum version required by ASTPP 4.0 is 1.6. Okay, but what if you are not into, maybe we have our own telephony network, but you are into a wholesale traffic. You are having millions of calls on your servers. So what if is ASTPP deployable? Is ASTPP compatible to deploy on physical or metal server? So that will lead us to a new point. What are the platforms on which ASTPP can be deployed? So ASTPP can be definitely deployable on any physical or metal servers, and there is no limit you can handle the live calls. It is only limit of system specifications. And the more live topics is ASTPP deployable on cloud platforms? The answer is yes, my friend. ASTPP is very easily deployable and compatible with any cloud platforms around the world, including Amazon Web Services as well. Yes, this is exciting. But what if you are a provider who is anxious and cautious about the traffic, about the data, about the failure, about the scalability of the system? So all these points will be covered in ASTPP 4.0 as well, because my friend, ASTPP also support failure and scalable solutions. Yes. So that will lead us to a new and very important and catchy topic is cluster setup. Yes, ASTPP is also support cluster setup. If you are a provider which is cautious about what if one of the sites on which ASTPP is deployed is having some issues? What if any services or any component on which ASTPP is running is dead or inactive, like database or web server or media proxy? If anything is wrong, then what will happen with your traffic? Where the traffic will go? In that situation, failover will come into picture. Or even the worst condition, what if your data center, wherever your data center is placed, is having some natural disaster? That we don't want it to happen at all, but this is nature, we can't handle it. We don't have our control over it. So what if something wrong on the data center itself? Then also ASTPP supports, the good news is, ASTPP also supports geographical failure. Yes. So, how this is going to work? Like ASTPP can deployable on every component of ASTPP can be deployed on separate server. Whether it is database, whether it is web services, whether it is media servers, whether it is SIM proxies, everything will be a separate. You can deploy it on separate servers, and it can be achievable like that way. So ASTPP is completely scalable based on your use cases. It's not like that it is a static scalable solutions. It is complete elastic scalable solutions. and it will be completely based on your use cases, your production cases. So every component, including SIP proxies, database servers, and media servers, and web servers, that can also be deployed on separate servers, and those servers can also be in different geographical location as well. So as I said, if there is something wrong happening on the data center, or if those servers are in the same data center, and there is something wrong happening with some of the services, some of the component running ASTPP. So in that case also, failover come into picture. So service and server-based failover can be considered under the failover, the mechanism which we are introducing. So that will also be covered in SIP proxy, in failover. Other than that, ASTPPs also support redundancy, database redundancy. So what it is actually? Like there are many countries around the world who are very cautious and very strict rules to have cold detail records. Admin need to have cold detail records for X days, like 90 days or 180 days. So they need to have. If they don't have those kind of data, then they have some strict rules over there. So they need to have those data. So in that case, what if something goes wrong in one of the database? Then there will be a come into picture redundancy of database. So database is also redundant. That can also be achievable. So master replication, master slave replications, and there are various tools to achieve that. ASTPP is also compatible to do that as well. So I hope that you will always get what you require from ASTPP. There are every possibilities in ASTPP that can be covered by ASTPP team. So I hope that you will like it, and we will do our best to keep you give what you require and what you need. So I congratulate ASTPP, Samir and Arpit for giving for this ASTPP 4.0 launch. And I hope you have all good evening and have a good day. Bye.